Hi everyone, welcome to la Cosedora Nail Art. I'm Lady and today I'm showing you this beautiful gradient. Just seal it with fast dry or gel top coat and let dry completely. Now I'm showing the designs that you will be using from the stencils. Curves, chevron, different sizes of lines, and these V-style cubes. The good thing of this is that you can play with different textures and forms. You can create great tribal or Aztec designs, matching and placing them all the way you like more. I'm using the back part of my tool to press the edges to avoid my polish to get filtered. Before we have placed our stencils, we have to polish our nail and remove the stencil immediately. And we have a pretty fast and easy design. A good thing is that you can replace a stencil if you place it wrong, because they are reusables. These are my favorites, curves and chevron. Try to place them with equal distance in between. Look how beautiful design you have made in just a few minutes. Tell me in the comments what do you think of this design and what you will do with these nail art stencils. I want to know. If you want to get our stencils, visit our Amazon store. I'm leaving the link in the description. See you the next time. Bye!